Davanti a casa mia si agosto c'è una macchina. Dal primo.
I had some nice breakfast at Princi, and now we're gonna this small section of Rinascente, which is a little bit far from the main building, just to see some skincare and glasses on the first floor, some accessories, but I'm here particularly for the beauty bar, where all the skincare, masks and beauty tools are. I'm here in particular for this, and I'm gonna buy this one as well. I don't think I need anything else. The other question if I want anything else, but I don't really need anything. So yeah. What do you think about it? Welcome to Italy. My next stop is this cute store that I love to visit every month because they have new products every month, and I think I'm gonna buy balloons here for Chris. They have a lot of stationery, like things for home supplies. Like I need to remind myself, oh, I don't need this, I don't need anything. I'm here only for balloons, so let's see if I'm gonna succeed. I picked up the most basic ones, but there are a lot here, so more is better. There's one anime store, but today is closed. Okay, then never mind. There are new items. Maybe next time. I'm going to meet Chris now, and we are going to Navili to have aperitivo with our two friends and a dog. And it's gonna be same Hawaiian place as we've been on my last vlog for exact same friend's birthday. And it was actually not bad. I didn't try food there, so I've been there only for drinks. Let's see if food is gonna be any good. It's really hot here in Milan, and as soon as you closing every window, you're like starting to sweat like crazy. And I can't wait to go outside. Whew.
Ma non è vero!
Cioè, sarebbe stato figo comunque lavorare qua. Oddio, non lo so.
50 milioni di gradi.
Vabbè, ma lì da quella parte lì è così. Che io sto già... Ma...
Quindi ho imparato ora calcio, che vuol dire va bene. Accollati, se lo sono accollati. Aspetta. Vai.
Beh, puoi...
Ciao Fabio. Ma.
Su.
We are doing something.
Something bad for my weekend, for my birthday weekend.
Let's do a little bit of backstory. So, Chris' nickname been for years Crispy, and it's been years since Crispy had Crispy McBacon. So he said, I want Crispy McBacon for my birthday, and this is why we went to McDonald's to have his Crispy McBacon finally.
because I was a fat kid in my past life. So in honor of that fat kid turning 30 nowadays, I'm still fat, but in honor of that fat kid, I'm gonna have a crispy McBacon at McDonald's.
Crispy McBacon.
Which wasn't existing when I was a
Extra
kid.
bacon. It's looking good and juicy.
Is it?
Look at this sincere smile. Today is Chris' birthday and his gift just got delivered. So I'm waiting for the man who's coming here in 1 hour to help me to assemble his gift. Since this gift is kind of big, I thought of an idea to have a delivery on same exact day, because no way I can hide it from him before his birthday. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna clean his entire space, which is where I'm gonna put his gift. And since it's messy as well, it's gonna take me a while. Here you go. Now, a new place for Chris to stay every day. The table is huge. I wasn't expecting to be that huge, but I hope he's gonna like his new space. So here's this thing. Like now it's turned off, but you can adjust the level of your table so it can go higher. I mean, not that high, but I think like maybe this level of the mirror, and also can be a bit lower. So really nice. What do you think? I got ready, so I'm on my way to meet Chris.
Got them, but it looks good.
Okay.
So what is it? Can you explain to us?
This dish that Chris adores called shashlik.
It is called shashlik.
Yeah, it's called shashlik, and it's pretty much just meat.
No, but it's marinated.
Yeah, I mean, it's just meat, that's why he loves it.
It's marinated for a long time in some sort of...
It's just our way in my culture, our way of eating meat. It's called shashlik. It looks amazing, honestly. It looks so juicy. Chris, come on, try on camera.
Just a piece by itself, with no salad.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Oh, yeah. This is the sign of my mouth is in heaven.
Happy birthday! С днем рождения! Happy birthday to you!
In Russia.
С днем рождения! Поздравляет вас веранда Аугури. Ай, ставь. Вставай. Аугури. Загадывайте желание, переводите.
Make a wish.
Еще.
We just got a dessert as a gift for this man. Yeah. Don't look yet. Okay, you can open.
Ooh! Let's go! I knew it. Thank you, baby. I love it.
When was the last time you saw me with the full-on makeup? But I have a reason, a really good reason. I'm about to leave the apartment and meet Chris to have dinner together to celebrate our 3 years anniversary, to celebrate our love. And we're probably gonna go after dinner to my favorite hotel bar, which I haven't been in 2 years. Yeah, it was my first time and my last time, and it was 2 years, Jesus. So I hope it's gonna be as good as I remember. So we have a deal with Chris. I'm choosing a dish for him at this place. So he's choosing a dish for me. I think he's gonna struggle. For me, it's gonna be really easy. Just choose something with meat. That's it. Okay, this is what Chris ordered for me. It's called risotto alla milanese con some
Ossobuco.
So it's delicious and it's huge. Like, look at my hand. Jesus. And then what I ordered for Chris, it's cotoletta alla milanese. And this is what he's going for. So both of us made a good choice, and it's huge as well. Look. Oh my god.
It's not the same.
Ah.
Ah. Where's this pajama?
You know what's also funny about it? When you're gonna at the end, you're gonna have cramps as well.
Oh yeah, I forgot about it.
We are going to see our friends to play board games. Why is so still? Smile. We are going to play board games to celebrate with his friends his birthday. Let's see what kind of games they have. It's like a gaming bar. So you can come there and play on the laptop, stream. Huh?
Not on laptops.
Ah, yeah, the actual
Desktop.
proper PC.
Yeah.
So you can come there and stream as well if you want to.
Auguri.
Sono 21.
Giratele intanto che poi le mischio e le cose. Quando cerchi di preparare il tuo curriculum ma non riesci a ricordare una sola cosa che tu abbia fatto bene.
È di spero stereo, non avevo una buona da
Questo è troppo aziendale.
tutti i miei sono
Sì.
Quando la professoressa di educazione sessuale ti guarda mentre mette il preservativo alla vagina.
Chris' best friends got him this super cute gift yesterday that I want to show you. It's Japanese inspired. He knows that we are going to Japan soon. And look, it's okay. It's adorable. This is so nice. I have no words. It's gonna be really nice being on our shelf. Let's see. How does it look like without a cute packaging? Wow! What? That looks adorable. Wait. It's plum sake. I tried plum wine before, but plum sake never. That's why I feel like the packaging is, the color of sake is not really transparent. Him and his girlfriend got him this cute notebook with the really nice message. Basically, it's all about, if you ever saw any vlogs or any videos from Japan, in every train station, I believe also in airports and some metro stations as well, you can collect stamps. So you could just come to the, let's say, Narita airport, you can search for a stamp machine or you can ask the staff. So we're gonna collect here our stamps in Japan trip. On this note, I wanna thank you guys for watching my vlog, and please come back for the next ones.